Hi everybody, Denay here, and I wanted to just share with you how I make my shrimp gumbo. It's different from my traditional gumbo. I do use only 3 ingredients for my shrimp stock, and that is the shells from shrimp, dried shrimp, and a little bit of Creole seasoning. That's all I use. And in this brief video, I'm just going to walk you through what I do. I can make a more formal video if you like, but I had one of my subscribers who wanted to make this for Mardi Gras, which is March 1st. And what you're going to do is remove the shells from your shrimp and put the shells and the dried shrimp, and I talk about how much in the recipe, which is going to be below this video, and it's about a half a cup, and you just let it boil as you see here, and you're going to let it boil for about 45 minutes, reduce by half. Make your traditional roux. Get your roux browning, and you want it sort of that chocolate colored brown. You have your Holy Trinity, your andouille sausage and smoked sausage, and add your stock, your shrimp stock. And then, of course, you're going to, if you want okra, saute your okra in butter to get rid of the sliminess, and then add it to your vegetable stock, shrimp stock. And then, of course, you bring that to a boil and reduce it. Let it cook for about 30 minutes, maybe 40. And then right before you're ready to serve, you're adding your shrimp at the very end because you don't want the shrimp to toughen. You don't want to overcook them. And they only need a couple minutes. So as soon as you add those shrimp, you are ready to serve. Now, when the meal is over, if you have any shrimp gumbo left, remove the shrimp and just take the base of the shrimp gumbo, and you can freeze that or refrigerate it for the next day. And I say that because shrimp are highly perishable. You can always leave out a few fresh shrimp and add them to your gumbo when you reheat it. And I do highly recommend that. If you've got any questions, post them in the comments below. The recipe is going to be below this video. And don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos. Everybody, enjoy your shrimp gumbo.